Hey guys, I just wanted to show you a super quick tutorial. It only needs like a couple of things in order to accomplish it. If you want to, you can make things even more sturdy, but you don't really necessarily have to. This is a guitar pick punch. So I got this from Amazon a little while ago. Say you're a guitarist and you want to make this for your own purposes, or you have a friend who plays a guitar and you just want to gift them a bunch of these. This is a really fun thing you can do. Yeah, so this is really cool. You can also, even if they don't have something like this, but you feel like you want to gift them something that's really simple and fun to DIY with, and maybe they don't have something like this, maybe they're losing all their guitar picks or whatever, this is kind of a cool present in general to just give somebody who's musical and needs a pick. So basically you can pick up stuff like this on Amazon if you want to. It's really kind of a cool material. There's basic ones too. It's just strips of, it's like a plasticky sort of card material, and you can just cut with that. They kind of smell a little funky when you first open up stuff, so just a warning. This is a pack of different cool colors and stuff. I will try to link everything down below as much as I can. And then this is just a plain one. But yeah, you can sort of buy this and just mix it with that. So there's different thicknesses. So this is 0.50 millimeters. This is 0.9 millimeters. This is 0.73 millimeters. Anyways, it just shows the different thicknesses, but they're all really pretty. Or another thing you can do is I like to save, as you can see, I've sort of done this before with a Cineplex gift card. There's different types of gift cards you can get and just play with. If you want to, you can just find a spot on the actual card that you want to punch from. So that's kind of what I like to do. So it is a little bit hard to use sometimes. If you have hand issues like arthritis or something like that, it might be a little bit difficult for some people to use. You need a little bit of strength for this, I feel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a spot on the card. I like the fact that there's like popcorn on this. So this is kind of neat. You can sort of see at the top here where you're going to punch, and you just put some pressure. Basically like that. Again, it's really, you got to put a lot of pressure on there. And then you just clean up the edges. You can take a nail file, or you can just get some sandpaper or something and just clean up the rough edges on that. Sometimes they come out fairly clean. You can also put resin on this to make this a little bit stronger, just to dome up a little bit around it. You don't necessarily have to do that. You can even Mod Podge the other side so that you don't have this kind of happening. You can put pictures that you want on there and just sort of Mod Podge it afterwards, and you can take a file and you can just file off the edge. So that's another possibility. Lots of stuff you can do with this. Another thing you can do, if you don't want to use resin and you want something that's probably a lot less toxic, I'm going to show you a glue. I've used this before on my channel. You might want to prop this up on something. If you have like a nice surface, put something underneath, and don't shake this up in advance, guys, because it will have air bubbles in it all the time. You might be able to get away with spraying them with like an alcohol spray just to get the bubbles out, but I haven't really tried it with this sort of stuff yet. I kind of want to try it. So I find Mod Podge Dimensional Magic is kind of cool, so you can get like a dome resin-like effect and make it a little bit tougher and stronger. It's not necessary, you don't really have to actually use this. I figured I'd show you guys what you can do. Yeah, so that's basically the project. You can do what I did here and just keep punching away, making lots of really fun, cool gift card picks. You can get all different kinds of really neat looking gift cards, and then instead of just throwing them away, I like to use them as squeegee sometimes, but you can also use them as a really cool pick for somebody in the future. All right, so that's a really fun, easy and straightforward DIY. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Yeah, make some really cool presents for a musician friend of yours, or again, if you're a musician yourself, make some cool picks for yourself. All right guys, anyways, have a good one, and I hope you have a really awesome day. Take care. Bye.